RadioDJ has a new release version 2048. We'll have a look at what has changed and how to install it. RadioDJ has not released an updated version in a long time, and there has not been an official tutorial posted since 2018. So almost 7 years ago. There are rumors going around that RadioDJ might be going pro and become a paid-for program, but no official release date has been given by RadioDJ. So I would advise, if you have not already, to download a copy of the latest version of RadioDJ, as it might not be free for very long. There have actually been two updates recently. They've been version 2047, released on April the 3rd, and now 2048, released on April 11th. There have been forum chats all the way back to January as well. The information I've been able to gather includes that RadioDJ now works on Windows 11, which is great for many people, and the audio engine has been changed as well. This was the reason for the 2047 version release. So if you're still using version 2045, then you will not be able to use RadioDJ if you upgrade to Windows 11. The only difference, it seems, for RadioDJ version 2048 is a few bug fixes from 2047. If you don't intend upgrading to Windows 11, there is probably no reason to upgrade to version 2048. If you are happy with running 2045, then it seems there is no reason to change. Now, to install RadioDJ version 2048 is exactly the same as in my previous video about installing RadioDJ. If you have not seen that video, the link is in the description. If, however, you've installed the older version of RadioDJ and you want to upgrade to 2048, then this is what to do. First, download the latest version 2048, or if when you watch this video there is a new release, you can download that. Create a separate folder for this new version. Don't install it into the old version folder. You can keep the download separate from the installation as well. Extract the files and run the installation as administrator. Be sure to install the new RadioDJ into your new folder. As you are installing, you will need to create a new database so that you don't damage your existing database. Create a new database name. Then first test the database here. If all is good from this message, then click Install Database by clicking here. Complete the installation, and then when you want to run RadioDJ, be sure to open the new version. All your playlists, etc. will not appear in this new version as there is a new database. You will need to import all the files unless when you first installed MariaDB with your previous version of RadioDJ, you checked this box, which allows for multiple versions of RadioDJ to access the database. If there are more updates or any mention of the Pro version being released, I will let you know, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on that. To learn more about radio broadcasting and other free broadcast software, click on these videos.